Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to ZZZ TV, where you can get your latest news as it's great. Breaking news, yes, and events happening totally generally all around the world. So all you need to do is just press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post so that you can get updated. Okay? Stay glued to this channel. We love you.